Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account with Dibs AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in myorthoselect.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Dibs AI. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right section. Now from the login page, scroll down and click on the login button underneath Dibs AI. You will then end up within the login portal. Now in order to log in, simply enter your credentials, which is your email address and your password. You can then click on the sign in button to proceed logging in. Make sure you uncheck the remember me box if you're logging in using a public device. After you click on the sign in button, you will immediately be logged in to your existing account on Dibs AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Dibs AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.